According to reports, the company is developing production plans for its upcoming iPhones that emphasize that liquid crystal displays are cheaper than analysts expected. Apple expects LCD models to represent the majority of iPhone sales on its line to be launched this fall and plans to use screens next year as well, said people involved in Apple's supply chain. The industry was looking at Apple to transition to a newer type of screen called organic light emitting diode OLED, which is used in the iPhone X. That transition now looks like slower than originally believed. Analysts believe that the demand for that phone has been weaker than expected, mainly due to its initial price of $999. Samsung is the main supplier of the new screens, which is estimated to cost around $100, compared to $40 for an LCD screen, as the analyst Hiroshi Hayase of Hayase Markit told Dow Jones. Apple is expected to include at least one LCD model in its plans for 2019 instead of switching to a single OLED line to offer consumers a more affordable option.